welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to continue the lesson tissue. So last we saw about the permanent tissue. Now we see about its type. There are two types, that is simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Now we shall read about simple permanent tissue. What is simple permanent tissue? If we see the few layers of cell beneath, we can see the simple permanent tissue. It is made up of only one type of single cell, and it works as individual to perform any functions of the plant cell. In simple permanent tissue, there are three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Each has so many functions. Now let's see one by one. Now let's see parenchyma. It is the most common in the plant cells, that is in permanent tissue. See, in this parenchyma, its special function is it has more intercellular space. If it is present in the aquatic plants like lotus lily, it is present in the form of parenchyma. And if the parenchyma contains chlorophyll in plants, then it is called chlorenchyma. We already know there is a what is that chlorophyll. See, its function is in the storage of materials, to store in it. Next, we shall see about collenchyma. In collenchyma, there is no much intercellular space, but it is irregularly thickened at the corners. What we can say, that is like edges, it will be cut off because it has a deposition of pectin. The most of the function is flexibility of plants, that is providing flexibility in the stem, and it also provides a mechanical support to plants. Next, sclerenchyma. Its cell wall is very thick because its specialty is in having the deposition of lignin. In sclerenchyma, it is very hard and doesn't have any intercellular space. So its cells are dead. It helps in making the plants hard and stronger. It is present in husk of coconut and many in vascular bundles, etc. Next, epidermis. If we see the outermost layer, we can say that the outermost layer is cell wall, but in the leaf of the plant there is present called epidermis. The outermost layer of plant cell is epidermis. It is also present in the leaves. It is made up of single layer of cell, that is only one cell, and they are flat in structure. And epidermis plays an important role in plants, that is protection against bacteria and many etc. And it has a pores, that is called stomata. We already studied in earlier classes. It is enclosed by two guard cells, that is in kidney shaped. Stomata helps in the process of exchanging gases, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen, in and out of the plant cells, and in process of transpiration. Now what is transpiration? The loss of water in the form of water vapor is called transpiration. It also helps the process of transpiration. Next comes the cork. The strip of secondary meristem located in cortex forms layers of cell. We can see in the outer layer of branch of a tree. In young stem, cells of cork are dead and has no intercellular space. It is also like sclerenchyma, but in cork it has deposition of suberin in the cell walls, and cork is very impervious to gases and water. Thank you.